So what's up guys, so in this episode we're going to be rebuilding the subframe in the CRX. So we're going to paint it, we're going to put a new sway bar with new rubber and bushings. We are also going to install the new rack and pinion, getting it all set up so that we can drop the engine in. Just drop it. So anyways, so that's what we're going to be doing today. But if we earn that like, and if you want to keep following the progress, go ahead and hit the buttons, do all the buttons, and hope you enjoy the episode.
So taking the sway bar off. You can see look at these bushings on the sway bars. Yikes. I'm sure that's how the rest of the vehicle looks too. So these are also getting replaced by ESM tie rod bear with a spherical bearing on the end, and it actually uses a socket head bolt versus this guy that. Now we're going to turn this guy, fully compress in one direction. Fully compressed. And there we go.
So I got the subframe all painted up, so I gotta paint the bottom side.
I'm going to put on this guy right here and put it on to his buddy over here, and then they're going to be a nice little happy gangster crew or whatever. I don't know. Maybe they won't even like each other. We won't know until we put it on there now, won't we? Alright. I'll see you guys in a bit.
So here we go, we got the brand new, fully refurbished rack and pinion, new rack and pinion, new sway bar.
You sound like a used car salesman.
New sway bar and freshly painted subframe. It's all put together. All we need to do is bolt it up. So we're gonna bolt this guy up. Alright you guys, it's kind of hard to see, but yeah, subframe is in. Sway bars attached, rack and pinions attached, subframe. So now we get to move on